Well, guys, time to load up the machine. We're gonna take it to my buddy so we can get all the accessories on it. So guys, we have a lot of goodies for the Can-Am. I've actually got a RPM slip-on exhaust 3-inch with a valve that you can open and close to be basically directly louder, more turbo, close, factory. So that's gonna be pretty sick. I got the whips, I got the roof, I got obviously the windshield, got underglow, we got turn signals for the mirrors, turn signals for the rear tail lights. We got a lot of goodies, and I still need to get some light bars and some more things. I want to get some wheels too, so right now we're gonna take it over there and drop it off. Let's see if we can get out. Let's back it up. It's super dirty, guys, from the last time that we went to go riding. My cousin did not wash it, all that. Well, guys, there you have it. The Can-Am is finally back home. My boy Colin did an amazing job. He got the LED bar. He did the LED mirrors. He did the switchbacks right there. They also are RGB. He did all the underglow RGB. The mirrors actually have turn signals in them as well. He did the whips on the back. And he put the license plate bracket on the back. But I went on a ride right now and it fell. So I'm going to have to put this back on. And I must have dropped my damn plate somewhere out there on the road. But yeah, check it out, guys. It looks amazing. And we also got a RPM exhaust in this thing with a dump valve. Oh yeah. He also put the roof and he put the LED bar in the back. And and the windshield. Let me turn on the turn signals so you guys can see over here. The whips turn on, the mirrors, the front, and the taillights too. These guys do not come with, let's shut off. But these do not come with turn signals in the factory lights. Those are aftermarket. I will put the link in the description below so you guys can go check it out and get yourself a set of those. The whips are Kamimoto. The mirrors are Kamimoto. These front things right here are Kamimoto. And the roof is Kamimoto. The front light bar, the back light bar, those I got off Amazon. And the underglow I got off Amazon as well, but it works really good. Turn that off, and let's turn the front headlights off before I piss off my neighbors. And there's a switch for the rear light bar. Has a strobe. Looks really sick, guys. By the way, guys, that RPM dump valve exhaust is stupid loud. Super freaking loud, guys. I can't believe how loud it is. This thing is so new. I haven't been able to step on it that hard, but now that I got the dump valve exhaust, I literally stepped on it like 3/4 of the throttle because I just wanted to hear how it roars, and this thing absolutely screams. our dump valve exhaust right now, it's closed. Here, this one's open, watch.